Today we're going to do an honest review of the Acer Nitro 17 gaming laptop. It features an AMD Ryzen 5 8645 CPU, 6 core, 12 CPUs. It's got 16 gigs of memory, and it's also got the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU with 16 gigs of video memory. It's got a light up RGB keyboard, 500 gig hard drive. It's meant for gaming. It's going to be used for 3D work, little Unreal, Photoshop, OBS, possibly some Maya, and maybe some light gaming. You can purchase this laptop on Amazon for $979.99. This isn't sponsored by Acer, but if you'd like to purchase one, I'll put the link in the description. It's a great budget laptop, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for checking out my video. Please like, please subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.